So guys, we're on the Sea of Galilee. I want to dress now to swim. My wife, we got something like this. Babe, show them your own. Where you have your own already. So this is mine. The reason why we got something like this is because under the Sea of Galilee, they have some stones. So for you to feel comfortable while still swimming, you have to go into this. This is the shoe I will use to walk on top of water now. Just watch what happens.
Go inside.
I want to walk on top of water. Hey, Timo. If you have faith stronger than smaller than mustard, you can walk. So this is the same water that Jesus Christ walked on top, and Peter walked on top. Watch me as I walk now. When I get to the center, I will walk.